Forget-me-nots. Are they edible? Are they medicine? Yes, they are edible. Here are the forget-me-nots. They're all over your lawn right now, guys. You're going to see them everywhere. So these are edible. You can take the flowers and put them in your salad. They look lovely. They are used for medicine. They're used for lung issues and nosebleeds, but there are some side effects in some people, so I don't use them for medicine. I just use them for a beautiful edible snack. You can snack on them as you're outside. They have a lovely taste. The bees love them, so I'm saving the forget-me-nots for the bees. I really won't work much with these this year, but they are edible if you see them. My kitty even wants to eat them. So you can eat them and snack on them. Just don't eat a whole bunch. Put a few in a salad. There's another kitty. Look how pretty they look at all the flowers. Hi, little kitty. So, forget-me-nots. They are an edible. And if you're looking to make some medicine for the lungs or nosebleed, just look it up, guys. I'm not going to recommend that because there's not enough research done on it. But I do eat them, and they're lovely. Bees love them. Look at that little guy. Buzzy, buzzy, buzz.